each province. Malapit na po. So maybe I'll stop there in case there are any questions from the committee. Thank you po.
Well, again, we thank you, Chair Mike, for your very gracious remarks towards the committee and the members of the committee and the chair. And as I think more than ever will be just as supportive, if not more, because it's your last year. And we've seen how the commission has worked under you. You've set a good example and no controversies for the commission. And that's a nice legacy that you've set out, that you've given a home to the provincial COAs, no? So, well done, sir. And
Thank you po.
again, well, I wish there were more members on your last year, but that's something out of our power. We send the notice and we hope they come, Chair Mike. No? But I'm not expecting any opposition at all. And in fact, I'm expecting a lot of support from your budget, from the names you mentioned, and even from the other members, sir. No? So ako, wala naman akong tanong sa inyo. And you can count on my support, Chair Mike, and to the good men and women of the COA. So yes, we'll just, of course, as before, we'll endeavor to enable you fiscally. No, it's very deserving. I think you play an important role in our scheme of governance. So no questions on the part of the chair. Since there are no members, I have no. I will just terminate, and this is probably the shortest budget hearing, budget meeting of this 2022 budget. No, so thank you again, Chair Mike, and we'll endorse your budget without prejudice to any possible increases to the plenary. Chair Mike, thank you, and all the best again to all of the COA family. Salamat, Chairman.
Maraming salamat po, Senator Angara. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. See you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.